Google Ads. So today I'll explain Google Ads, how to run Google Ads for lawyers to get more clients. So Google Ads is a very fantastic concept and very useful concept for any business owner to grab the leads instantly. In my previous classes, I explained website designing classes. These are the this is the class. I explain website design by using WordPress. And there is no need of coding to design a website. So this is my introduction class, how digital marketing works for lawyers to grab more clients by using digital. So general Google Ads is a Google tool. So just search on Google Ads. So this is the Google Ads. So just click on Google Ads. I created many accounts. General, this is after clicking, you have to sign up with you have to log into your Gmail initially. So after logging into Gmail, you can say start now. I created multiple accounts in my practice and my real-time working. I created multiple accounts like just I'm practicing. So this is my practice account where I practice digital law, Google Ads campaigns. So generally, when you have to log in with Google Ads, you don't see this kind of dashboard. You see like there is no account. So generally, everyone see this kind of dashboard when open Google Ads. So first I have to click on this, create your first campaign. Generally, in our main process in Google Ads is create account, not campaign, but they're updating every day, day by day, day by day. So just click on any other, just enter your website, just click on next. We need to take some care on creating account because generally Google Ads are very smarter. They're always trying to take money from ourselves outside by doing some manipulations. So just click on next. No need to link. We can link later. Just click on next. I had already Google Ads account, but I'm not connecting. I'm just skipping. We're asking choose your goal like purchase, submit lead from phone call, but observe proper complete screen. You can see the setup account only. In Google Ads, you have to create first account after campaign. So need to create the setup account only. After we can see this kind of dashboard like country, time zone, currency. According to your country, your time zone, your currency, you can select I'm in India, so by default this is right. I'm clicking next and continue. After they asking want to personalize guidance, no need any guidelines. They don't do anything. They just grab money from our side. So I have to give their payment profile, like address, like name of the organization, name, address, pin code, state. You can fill these things easily. I'm not creating because I already created. So payment method. General India, there are four options like QR, pay with bank transfer, net banking, credit. But outside India only credit card. I'm thinking that. I'm selecting fewer to context. Payment method. Asking me should I do a minimum 500. Just click on continue. Submit. Generally, no need to pay the amount. We can add payments later. Our main process is to create the account only. So generally, you can see the results like car accident, lawyer. I don't get any. So it's like Los Angeles. You can see these ads. These ads we can create by using these tool, Google Ads. So these are all known as Google Ads. Now I'll explain maybe to next couple of minutes how to create this kind of advertisement by using Google Ads. Still processing. After creating account in Google Ads, you can set up, you can create ads. So if anyone are looking to run Google Ads for your services, you just contact us me by clicking website you are in the description. So asking you are, but I'm not doing any payment because I don't run any campaigns right now. So I just click on simply cancel. It will reflect automatically, but outside of the need, I have definitely have to add the payment method, or else it cannot go further. You can see account is activated. We can't continue. I'm running these things. Yes. So this is the dashboard of Google Ads. This is we need instead of creating campaigns in the first. So after this dashboard, you can see a number of options like campaigns, goals, tools, etc. things, insights, campaigns, etc. You just click on campaigns, campaign, new campaign, create a campaign. So, we have to choose our objective, like what is our need, leads, traffic, app, local shops, YouTube. So just see properly. Sales means like it's for e-commerce. Leads the form like customers filling the form. This for traffic. This for installs. This for YouTube views. This is the we need. We can create campaigns without guidance. Just click on this one. There are different types like performance max, shopping, video, app, demand gen display. We need search only. We need leads, like form submissions. Just click on that. Campaigning, agree terms, and just click on continue. So here we can see the bidding. Like generally there are different types of target CPA, maximum conversions, clicks, impressions. So we need most of the conversions, target CPA or clicks. By default, we are running the first time the campaign. Let's set the maximum clicks. Set maximum cost per click. Generally for lawyers, it takes massively. I can show the Google Keyword Planner. It's called take this keyword tools. It's a keyword planner, very famous tool for keyword researchers. So just see how much cost per click take for one click. So this is the dashboard of Google Ads. You can see, just explore the Google Ads one. It's very free. It's very easy and free of cost. No need to pay any money. You can have some idea how to run Google Ads. What is a Google Ads? If you have any comments, just put on a comment. I'll try to reply back to you. Maybe some internet issue. That's why it's lagging. I have another tool for searching panel. So it's called new keywords. Keyword and this not India, like Los Angeles. They get results. Now you can see how much it takes for one click. You can see top bid range, top of the bid range, low range, high range, 4,000, 28,000, 20,000, 95,000, 50,000, 28,000, almost 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 4,000, 10,000, 2,000, 20,000. So very high. These are very high CPC, like 20 INR USD, almost $200 per click. So these are the already searching keywords. People, you can search value, how much competition is there, how much they're paying for one click. Even some clicks takes 1 lakh as well. Like accident lawyers like in Los Angeles for this keyword very high competitive. Even it takes almost $10K. I'm thinking. 20,000 USD. USD. Almost 9 lakh, no, thousand, sorry, $1,000. So forget it. Add extra zero. So this is how you can see how much competition is there, how many monthly search volumes, how much your CPC, I mean, for how much might take minimum for one click, maximum one for one click. You can use all these keywords to run. You can also use these keywords to run our ads. So just can copy. Just I'm pasting in the notepad. So this is the introduction class of Google Ads. I'm not going deeper because it might go for much confusion. So right now I'm explained how to create a Google Ads account. Like in next class, how we can see how to create these kind of advertisements. These are the advertisements are already lawyers. They run to rank up their website top of the Google for this kind of keywords. So today explore this how open Google Ads account and try to create an account. If you have a doubt, watch the video multiple times. Create account and explore the keyword research tool. In tools section, you can see the keyword planner. Search, enter your relevant keywords. You can see the results. And next class, I'm explaining on search campaign, like how exactly this. That's it for today's class. Keep subscribe the channel for more informative videos on digital marketing for lawyers. And if you're any lawyer struggling with getting leads, need a consultation, just visit the website. I'll help you to bring more links for your services.